27% of drivers on the road in Florida do not carry any insurance. Florida auto insurance limits. Florida is one of 2 states in the entire country that does not require what's called bodily injury coverage. Bodily injury coverage is that coverage that if you are in an accident would cover the bodily injury of anyone that's injured as a result of your negligence. What that means is that you are not required under the law in the state of Florida to carry bodily injury. In fact, you're only required to carry 2 coverages. That is property damage in the amount of $10,000 and PIP or no fault in the amount of $10,000. This is obviously very minimal. That coverage, if someone were to hit you and they only had the mandatory limits or PIP of $10,000 and property damage of $10,000, they would have no coverage to cover your injury. And that'd be perfectly fine, legal, but it's not going to help you if you're injured in a case. That's why it is incumbent and, in my opinion, mandatory. It's not required under the law, but that you should get something called uninsured motorist or coverage. Coverage covers you in the event that you are injured in an accident and the person who caused the accident does not carry bodily injury coverage. When you do buy you get as much as you possibly can. Although it can be expensive, the more you have, the more you're covered in the event you get in an accident and the person who hits you either has no bodily insurance or their limits are not sufficient to cover your injuries. If you need help checking to make sure that you're adequately covered and you have the proper insurance to protect you in the event you're in an accident with an uninsured or underinsured motorist, give us a call.